welcome to Evergreen Speedway Weekly News. A little bit different this week as we are here on location down in Ballard, Washington for our trip to one of our great sponsors here, Bardahl Manufacturing. Bardahl has been a great sponsor of Evergreen Speedway for a couple years now, and a very historic place for sure. And we're joined here by Dennis Dudley, one of the couple guys we're going to talk to. Dennis, just maybe tell people what your job is here at Bardahl.
My job is to shepherd new products through our entire system. In other words, when one of our marketing divisions comes up with an idea, what they think they want for a product, once it's been costed, approved, and the lab says, yes, we can make a product that can do that, then I take it from that point through graphic design, copy, what package it'll go into, literally shepherd the product to production. Once I turn it over to production, I'm done with it.
Maybe tell people how long you've worked for Bardahl and what it's like working for a company like Bardahl.
I've worked here 26 years. It's sometimes it's a bit of a Chinese fire drill. One of the advantages of working for a family-owned business is you're treated like family. The other side of the coin is we sometimes take on too many things at once, and all of us wear more than one cap and have the ability to flip something around and take it in a totally different direction in a matter of hours.
So you work for Bardahl, who is very tightly niched into the automotive community with its products it does like that, and with the racing community. What do you think about the combination and the partnership that Evergreen Speedway has with Bardahl?
Well, to be honest with you, I haven't been out there yet. My son and I are involved in some other automotive stuff on a different scale, but being involved with a well-known local racetrack and being the well-known local historically race company, it's got to be a good idea. So,
what's your favorite thing about working for Bardahl?
My job's different every day. The flexibility of literally coming to work and knowing I've got 2 hours I have to do this, and by the end of the day realize, well, those 2 hours didn't get done, I had to jump over here and straighten this out, or it's just that it's not boring. There's not something the same every day. There's something new to deal with on a daily basis.
When this gets up, this amp meter, it'll get up above 6 and just sees, and then I'll check to see what the inch pounds on the torque wrench is. So just apply pressure to this. And what it does, the oil is coating both the bearing and the race to provide that protection. All right. So it went up just about 300 inch pounds, and it stopped. It sees, and here's the, I'll show the top so you can see. Here's the wear scar, you can see. So now we're getting up to almost 300 where it seized. You can hear it's not grinding like it was.
You heard it grind and then change tone.
Yeah, when it gets
right
quiet,
after that,
yeah, it's running. It's doing all the protection.
Welcome back here as we have Dennis Amos. He is the plant manager here at Bardahl. And Dennis, maybe tell people what your job is here at Bardahl.
Well, I oversee the manufacturing where we blend and package all of our products and establish inventories and see to shipping to our customers.
What's it been like for you to work at Bardahl?
Oh, it's a great family business. We have a small group of people that really enjoy doing what they do, and so it's a great place.
You know, Bardahl's been around for, we were talking 77 years now. How has Bardahl changed over the years to maybe service the customers?
You know, when Bardahl started, and this is way before I was here, but I understand it started with about 4 products, so they made a lot of, just a handful of products. These days, we make and ship over 300 products, so the complexity of what we do and the scope of what we cover has grown tremendously.
What are maybe some of the big changes that you guys have done to maybe adapt to maybe technology nowadays than back in the day?
You know, in the original days, everything seemed to go in a tin can. These days, most things end up in a plastic bottle. We still do some old products in the old cans, but big variety of different bottles, different package sizes, all the different fluid systems that we service. So a lot of changes.
What's your favorite thing about working for Bardahl?
Oh, I think part of it's the excitement of being associated with performance industries, all the different venues of racing, a lot of great nostalgic history, just a lot of great things that we're associated with and get to be involved in.
It's like we said, a very historic company, historic location here. What all happens in this one facility here in Ballard?
Here on site, we actually blend our own additives, we package them, we develop products, we have our own lab, so we'll develop based on customer needs, and we ship all over the world. So we fill containers from here and ship them out of the port to all corners of the world.
All right, thank you, Dennis, for coming on.
Thank you.